The Taxing and Spending Clause, located within Article 1, Section 8, Clause 1 of the Constitution, grants the federal government the power to impose taxes on its citizens. Much like the debates surrounding the Commerce Clause, there is also constant controversy over how much power the federal government can exercise over the states. Simply put, the government's ability to tax its people is limited, but the ability to spend is nearly unlimited. The Supreme Court first established restrictions on taxation in the 30s, holding that Congress can only create new taxes when they related to an additional power, such as the power to regulate interstate commerce. In 1987, the South Dakota versus Dole decision held that a federal state making a small portion of the highway dependent on states changing their legal drinking age to 21 was valid under the Tax and Spending Clause. The Supreme Court designed a test to make sure that Congress was acting within its powers under this clause. First, the decision must benefit the population's general welfare. Second, Congress must be clear about its intent and not include any wording that is too vague or ambivalent. Third, any conditions Congress places on the distribution of federal funds must benefit the national interest. Finally, any laws passed under the Tax and Spending Clause must not violate any other constitutional law. Clearly, these points gave Congress a great power with which to spend tax dollars. However, the debate rages on about how effectively the government uses those funds.